The water cycle is defined as the way that the water is constantly being moved throughout the Earth and its atmosphere. The water cycle has four different stages: condensation, evaporation, transpiration, and precipitation. Each one has its own individual purpose and contributes to the water cycle in its own separate way. First up is evaporation. Evaporation is defined as turning a liquid into a gas. As shown in the picture, heat energy from the sun hits the warm ocean water, which causes the ocean water to then evaporate into a vapor, and that vapor will then rise. This does not only occur with ocean water. This also occurs in lakes, rivers, streams, and any other standing water that is available. Another way that water enters the atmosphere is through transpiration. Transpiration is when water is absorbed through the roots of a plant to then be thrown out as vapor through pores in the individual leaves. Next up is condensation. Condensation is when the warm water vapor reaches high up into the atmosphere where it's colder and it condenses into water droplets once again. This creates clouds, which are then used to create precipitation. There are many different types of precipitation, including rain, sleet, hail, and snow. Precipitation occurs when the atmosphere is so full of water vapor that it has to fall. The different types of precipitations are caused by the difference of temperature between the clouds and the ground. The colder the temperature is between them, you are more likely to get snow. However, if it is above freezing, you are more likely to get rain. The last stage in the water cycle is runoff. Runoff occurs when the amount of precipitation outmeasures the amount of water that can be absorbed into the soil. Runoff occurs in rivers and streams. Rivers and streams then carry the excess water into oceans and lakes where it can be held until it can be evaporated into the atmosphere once again. Another type of runoff is glacial runoff. Glacial runoff occurs when glaciers in the north melt and that water cannot be infiltrated into the ground. So this also causes runoffs and rivers.